Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to another hair tutorial that will leave you looking flawless and feeling empowered. Today we're making a neat 2-strand twist with extensions without using any gel. Yes, you heard that right, no gel, no stress. And while we twist and style, let me share a story that will stick with you longer than your finest twist out. This story has a lesson that's as important as that last minute touch of shine spray, so stay glued. Okay, so we are starting with clean, well parted hair. Speaking of parting things, this brings me to my cousin Chijioke. Now, Chijioke was the king of multitasking. The man could eat suya, reply to 10 WhatsApp messages and give directions all at the same time. But one day, Chijioke learned the hard way. Why focusing on what matters most isn't just a proverb, it's a survivor. As I twist this first section, imagine this. Chijioke was on his way to a party. He had his best native attire on, crispy agbada, shoes shining, smelling like he bathed in luxury perfume. But in true Chijioke's fashion, he couldn't resist checking his phone while waiting for a downfall. You know how it is. Notifications pinging left and right, and then, as he was deep in a reply to babe, I'm almost there, something wild happened. A goat, yes, a real-life stubborn Lagos market goat, bolted out from nowhere. Chijioke eyes glued on his phone, didn't even see it coming. Bam! The goat brushed past him, and next thing you know, Chijioke's phone flew out of his hand, spun in the air like a Nollywood action movie, and landed straight in a muddy puddle. His fresh agbada, decorated with goat hoofs prints, and a splash of pure Lagos chaos. Now, as we twist this next section, here is the lesson. Chijioke's phone was recoverable, but his ego, not so much. If only he had kept his eyes on what mattered, the road in front of him. Just like with this twist. If you don't pay attention, one wrong move and you end up with an uneven twist or worse. A style that's unraveling before your eyes. See how neat these twists are, turning out. It's all about focus, taking it step by step, just like Chijioke should have done with his work. And no gel needed here, just a bit of focus and the right technique. If you want long-lasting neat twists, keep your attention right here. Don't go texting your babe. I'm almost there, halfway through. And that's the last twist. We are fluffing out the ends. But remember, whether you're creating a beautiful hairstyle or navigating a busy street, keep your eyes on what matters. No goat, no drama. Just a flawless twist and a smooth finish. Thanks for hanging out here with me today. If you love this tutorial and Chijioke's epic life lesson, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more stories and hair tips. And remember, don't let the goats of life, literal or otherwise, distract you from what's important. Stay stylish, stay sharp, and see you in the next video. Bye.